I know. I will pick orange.
I like it.
Look at that entertainment system.
A Harley guy with a lot of money.
A Harley guy with a lot of money. What's the sticker price? Oh, they got the sticker on?
Yeah, what's the sticker price?
Let me see that sticker. Set that sticker right here.
The Grand Wagoneer for 100.
Let me see the mile per gallon. Set it down right there.
12.
12? Are you kidding me? Oh, that is nasty.
12 miles
12?
Yeah. Probably gotta pay a fuel tax.
Holy crap.
I'll take my Charger that gets 23 and my Honda Elantra that gets 36.
12, dude.
I'm happy.
Holy crap.
That's more than my truck. My truck gets like 10. This is regular driving, so imagine people who on the accelerator throttle.
Holy crap.
I need a throttle commander that took it the other way so that you didn't have any.
Oh man, if you put a pedal commander on this thing, it'd be a beast.
I bet it'd be a badass. But that's what I'm saying. I'd have to run it the other way, so like half is cracked, so that I'm not.
Yeah, this is definitely not a traveling truck. 12 miles a gallon. Hey, oh, you gonna stay at the gas station? He headed down to the gas station. He just sat there and ran out of gas. All right, guys, y'all saw that TRX? Yes, we got another one in. Only thing that turned me off was the dead mile per gallon. But other than that, that Hellcat baby is ready to go. Uh-oh, what is this one here? Oh, that's just typical Ram versus that is nice, guys. That is sweet. Sweet. I want to look on the hood. He just popped the hood. .2 supercharged. Go ahead, man. Get you one, man. It's only 95 on the sticker. Oh my goodness. My hand's dirty. Ricky, pop the hood. I know my hand's dirty. I don't want to touch it. Oh, we gotta remove the plastic. Some people want to remove their own plastic. Look at that key over there. I bet that key $300 in it. Did they get two? Ooh, I bet they might not lose that one. Yeah, he about to pop the hood. I want to see what's. I already know what's on here, but I want to see. Sweet! Sweet! Look at that beauty of a beast. Holy crap. Whoa. All right. I want to see what they're working with underneath. Let me go on here. Look at the size of that transfer case. Yeah, this is Ram 1500 TRX. Let me see something right quick. All right, 3 special edition Ram 1500 joined the 2022 lineup with a starting price of, no man, that sticker on that truck that I just showed you had 90 something on it. The 2021 Ram 1500 is the most expensive version of Ram full-size performance pickup by a huge margin. Again, people, who's the target audience? And you cannot, nobody in here can tell me a construction worker is looking for a truck with that much freaking power and that much freaking speed. I just refuse to believe that. It also, look, it's also the fastest and most powerful with the 6.2 liter supercharged V8 generating a colossal 702 horsepower. And 650 foot-pounds of torque. If you have more money to burn, Ram has revealed a new special edition TRX. That's what I just showed you. That 2022 that just came in today. Actually showed up today. And matter of fact, it's this color. It looks just like it. $92,000 with 12 freaking miles to a gallon. Ouch! Isn't exactly fuel efficient. No, Sherlock. Everything is back. which is exciting news if you want a monster truck. But fair warning, this beauty is thirsty. This beauty is thirsty. It only gets an EPA estimated 10 miles per gallon in the city and up to 14 miles per. Can the Ram TRX meet riding emission standards? That would be the big thing, guys. And that's likely why, damn, my house wasn't that much. If I had the money and a place to keep it, I would. The target is people with more money than brains. Drac. More people with more money than brains. Okay. All right. The 22 Ram is powered by the Supercharged. Okay, we know that it cranks out 702, 650 foot-pound. It sends this truck flying from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.7 seconds. Again, do the average construction worker need to get to work that fast? All right, is he running late every day to where I think I need to get me a construction truck that will get me at least 60 miles per hour in about 3 seconds? That way I can get to work on time. I don't know, guys. I'm tripping, but this is crazy. Now that truck, I heard it wasn't ordered. So, but now that we got it, everybody that was looking for one, the phone is ringing off the hook. Do y'all believe that? The phone is everybody trying to outbid the next guy. The dealers have the luxury of let's call it what it is, padding the prices, going for the highest bidder. This is not illegal, guys. Padding prices, it's not even called padding prices. It's a fancy word for it. I don't know it, but it's not illegal. If it would, I wouldn't be talking about it. Number two, they wouldn't be doing it. But that's why a doctor got the white one from us. Yeah, doctor. Yeah, doctors have more money than brains. Michael Burns, I hope the 32-gallon tank is standard. It's a modern 57 Chevy with a warranty. They need to leave work. That God, the next Dodge Ram gonna have an electric motor at each wheel. Philly, that's next, man. Stay tuned. All right, I'm done with this. What's new for the 2022 TRX? So y'all see what he doing now? Okay, back to my point. This obviously, but it's got a cab on it, so you can put stuff in the back. So do you buy this truck to have fun in it? Do you spend $92,000 to go out in the woods like this guy here and just jump over things and have fun? If that's the case, why get a truck for that? I mean, there's a lot of cool vehicles that you can have fun in, but you got a cab. I don't know. I'm beating a dead horse. It's just amazing to me. When that truck rolled in, I saw 12 miles to the gallon at 92 K.